Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're in the Google Play app, let's first just hop out of the app. You can see I'm on a Samsung Galaxy. You can do this on any Samsung phone. After we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is swipe up and open up your settings. We need to check a couple different things and change a couple different things in the settings of the Google Play Store. So let's scroll down to the very bottom and you can see there is apps. Tap on apps. And now from here, we're going to scroll down until we find the Google Play Store on this list. There it is. Just tap on it. Now from here, all we need to do is scroll down and we're going to choose storage on this list and you'll be able to see data and cache. This a lot of times causes issues within the Google Play Store. However, all we need to do is hit clear cache and then clear the data. And just by doing so, you'll be able to see the app is still downloaded on my phone, but all of the data and cache has now been removed. The next thing we're going to do is hit the back button. And let's scroll down until we get to app details in store. Just tap on that and see if it pulls up for you in the Google Play Store. Sometimes you need to hit try again, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it doesn't work, that's not a problem at all. All we're going to do is close out of everything, close out of all of the open apps again, and then just open up the Google Play Store app again. You can see it says now, welcome to Google Play, and we're going to hit get started. Now you can either use your password, but in my case, I'm just going to use my fingerprint here to confirm, and let's hit no thanks. Now let's make sure it's fully updated after we've cleared the cache and data, just by tapping on the profile at the very top right. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom and tap on settings at the very bottom. And you can see from the settings about at the very bottom. Again, let's open that up and you can see the Play Store version. I'm just going to tap on update Play Store and it should say Google Play Store is fully updated. If it doesn't, it'll walk you through steps on updating it to get to the latest version and fix out a lot of bugs and glitches in the Google Play Store. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.